You can put your project in any place, anywhere in your computer. So then you can go to your path. Basically, you can type cd and go to the project and you will be there. And first thing, we need to install Next.js and Supabase. Type npx create next app, and you can give additional parameters. So what I'm going to do is add with Supabase. This will help us to create all the authentication route, install the necessary packages, and there will be some guides for our application. So let's start running this. You can say yes, and then you can give any name to your package. So I'm gonna say storyboard. All right, as you can see, now it is installed. Here is our Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna zoom in a little. Yeah, this is a new Next.js project, and you can see there's an app folder. This is recently released with Next.js, and we are going to use this new feature. Very cool. And if you go inside the app folder, there is this authentication folder and login folder. So Supabase already created some features for us, so we don't have to spend too much time to reinventing these things. So let's go into package file. Let's investigate this. So first thing is you have the scripts, build, dev, and start, and you have some packages. So I'm going back to our terminal and I'm going to type yarn dev. Let's try to start this project. So it's already running and Next.js 14, and you can go to the project clicking this one, and yes, here goes the home page. There is already nice styling and some text here, but you can't see any login or anything. Why is that? It's because we need to do a few more things here, and as you can see, there is an example file, environment file .env local. So we can rename this to environment.local and just need to follow these steps. So you need to sign up to Supabase and get these keys. So I'm going to log in to Supabase, and I already have an account. But if you don't have an account yet, you can go to supabase.com and sign up. So once you sign up, you have the dashboard here. And if you go to the project settings, I can get these two keys, and on key, you can paste it here, and project URL, you can copy from here and paste it here. All right, we have all the basic settings we need, and let's go to our terminal and try to restart the project because we changed the environment variables. Now you can see the login page. If you click here, and there is the login page. You can sign up or log in with here from here. And what happened if you log in? I already had an account with this email, and you logged in. This is a page that after logging in,